A center gauge, also known as a fishtail gauge, is a tool used in machining to check the angle of tool bits to use to cut screw threads. We can also use this gauge to make sure our tool is on center before cutting an external thread. This scale, also known as a rule, is used to give a quick scale dimension when working at your machine. The size, 6 inches, is a good size for a pocket and will not take up much room in your toolbox. A ratcheting screwdriver set will come with an assortment of flathead and Phillip head attachments. Some may also come with an assortment of Torx bits. This ratcheting screwdriver set is a nice space-saving tool. A pitch gauge is a pocket gauge set used to reference and verify various thread pitches. Normally, when manually single-point thread cutting, one will make a scratch pass to verify their machine settings. This gauge can be used to verify those settings and is a very handy tool to have in your toolbox. A measuring tape is a type of hand tool typically used to measure distance or size. It is like a much longer, flexible ruler consisting of a case, thumb lock, tape, hook, and the majority of the time, a belt clip. The offset box wrench is a wrench that is very useful for hardware that we use at the manual milling machines. One end of the wrench will allow us to make adjustments to squaring up the machine, and the other side will work with nuts to secure our machining setups. A machinist scribe is a tool used to mark lines on our workpieces before we begin cutting. After applying glue dye, a scribe tool will help us see cutting boundaries and help us guide us to stay within our tolerance range. A magnifier is a convenient tool to help aid our vision in checking tool wear, verifying dimensions, and deburring. It is small enough to keep in your pocket and will not take up much space in your toolbox. An auto punch prick punch will assist us to create holes. After laying out our machining plan with the scribe, a prick punch will be used to mark a location for drilling holes.